Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out BeautyBigBang XL-070 stamping plate. And this is the stamping plate. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. I'm trying this design with a black regular nail polish. After all of that, I applied top coat. BeautyBigBang XL-070 has an architectural theme. It has 12 full pattern designs. This will look best if you have a wide set of nails. It's very well etched and the designs are so pretty and realistic. And I bought the stamping plate on Shopee. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Watch more videos only here at honeycrunch321. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!